In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Airtable dashboard. We'll go from opening your base all the way to sharing a finished dashboard, and the goal is to make your data much easier to understand at a glance. A good dashboard helps you track progress, spot trends, and quickly focus on the information that matters most without digging through rows of records every time. Start by opening the Airtable base that contains the data you want to track. This is the foundation of your dashboard, so make sure you're working in the correct base before you build anything. If your information is spread across multiple tables, that's fine, but you'll want to be clear about which table or view will support the dashboard you're creating. Next, prepare your data. Before building the dashboard itself, take a moment to confirm that your most important fields are organized clearly. Typical fields include status, date, owner, and amount. This matters because dashboards rely on structured data to display accurate charts, summaries, and filtered views. If field names are messy or values are inconsistent, your dashboard can become confusing very quickly. Clean labels and consistent formatting will make the rest of the process much smoother. Once your data is ready, go to Airtable interfaces. This is where you create a more visual and interactive experience based on the data in your base. Interfaces are designed to help you present information in a way that's easier to read than a standard grid. From there, create a new dashboard by choosing a dashboard or interface layout. Pick the layout that best matches how you want people to use the information. If the dashboard is meant for quick executive style reporting, a summary focused layout works well. If it's for day-to-day operations, you may want something that includes more detailed tables and filters. Now start adding widgets. You can include charts, numbers, tables, filters, or record lists depending on what you want to highlight. Charts are useful for visual trends. Number of widgets help call out key totals, and tables or record lists make it easier to review the underlying details. As you add each element, think about clarity first. The dashboard should feel easy to scan, not crowded. After that, customize the filters. This allows the dashboard to be viewed by date, status, team member, or category. Filters make the dashboard much more flexible, especially when different people need to focus on different slices of the same data. Then preview the dashboard and check that it shows the right information. This is your chance to confirm that the charts, totals, and filters all behave the way you expect. Finally, share the dashboard with others if needed. Once everything looks right, your Airtable dashboard is ready to use.